Trying to host a lively backyard barbecue or relax by the pool in complete silence, or dealing with a single, tiny Bluetooth speaker that sounds thin and gets completely drowned out by conversation is an absolute nightmare that totally kills the party vibe. Standard portable speakers trap you with short signal ranges, directional sound fields, and delicate builds that short-circuit at the first splash of water. The multi-sync outdoor Bluetooth lantern speaker completely rescues you from weak audio and fragile electronics, functioning as a high-velocity, weather-resistant entertainment workstation engineered to flood your entire property with immersive sound and rich, ambient light. Don't let its elegant, modern lantern aesthetic fool you. Beneath that rugged exterior lies a highly advanced acoustic engine. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its specialized multi-sync wireless pairing matrix. Using an upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 chipset with automated pairing, you can link one master unit to your smartphone and effortlessly daisy-chain up to 100 synchronized speakers simultaneously. This creates a massive, ultra-responsive audio blanket across your camp, patio, pool, or yard, delivering crisp, high-definition stereo sound and perfectly synced audio without any frustrating signal lag or wire clutter. Engineered to survive the unpredictable elements of outdoor living, this versatile lantern boasts an official IPX5 waterproof rating, meaning it easily shrugs off heavy pool splashes, unexpected rain showers, and morning dew. The top-mounted acoustic driver pumps out a wide 360-degree sound field embedded with dynamic DSP, digital signal processing, for punchy bass and crystal-clear vocals. To completely set the nighttime mood, the built-in LED array offers multiple vibrant atmosphere lighting modes, including a realistic flickering flame effect, a gentle candle glow, and a steady ambient amber beam. Complete with a versatile hardware kit featuring hanging hooks, wall mounts, and ground stakes for effortless placement anywhere in the dirt or sand. It is the ultimate, stress-free housewarming gift for tech-loving men, outdoor adventurers, and patio entertainment purists who demand uncompromised durability and massive acoustic luxury. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are syncing a pair of these lantern speakers for a relaxing patio night or building a massive 10-speaker array to dominate your next pool party. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart outdoor tech showcases, wireless audio reviews, and premium gear breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.